Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I received some Happy Mail, and I'm super excited about it. This Happy Mail came to me by John Boy and All Handmade Connie, and I really appreciate that. John Boy did a giveaway for his 1,000 subscribers, and All Handmade Connie won, and John Boy says that All Handmade Connie wanted to forward the winnings to me. And I am ever so grateful and super excited. So I thought I'd share them with you guys. So I received these great hooks by Rita. And here's what they look like right there. They're fantastic. And here's the sizes from 2mm all the way up to a 6mm. Ooh, to a 6mm. So these are going to come in handy. I have them in the package so I can stick them in my bag. Oh yeah. They're going to be perfect in one of my crochet bags. Just saying. And then I'm super excited because I was unable to get this book sooner. But now I have the book, so I can keep up with everyone doing the crochet tiles. And I got the 100 Crochet Tiles book, and I am over the moon over this, and just picking some at random. I mean, these tiles are absolutely amazing. I can't wait to do some of them. I mean, they are beautiful and stunning. I'll even go back and show you some of the tiles. Oh, there's one there. I'm really looking forward to catching up with everyone and doing some of these tiles. I mean, they're really pretty. They're real pretty, so I really like this. I really do. So I'm really looking forward to this. This is going to be fun. Now, I will never keep up with anyone. I'll do some tiles here and there, but I'll never be able to keep up with everyone who does them all, you know. But I'll do some tiles here and there, and we'll see how it goes from there. But I would like to shout out All Handmade Connie. I'll link her in the description box below. And a definite shout out to John Boy Crochet. Congratulations on reaching 1,000 and just skyrocketing right up there to 1,500. So thank you both so much. I really appreciate that. And I mean, I'm just so excited and so thrilled. Thank you so much to both of you. But I hope everyone has a blessed day. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.